I am here on this Tech Tuesday with a member of the Tornado vacuum family. Next to me, I have the Roam vacuum. Now the Roam is cordless and it's got a 13-inch path, so it truly allows you to clean anywhere. With this vacuum, you've got about 60 minutes of run time, and it's only 60 minutes to get it back up to a full charge. It's quiet and it's super lightweight. I'm a weakling and I can lift it with one hand. And as you're cleaning, it's got a couple of features on board that make it easy to get into those hard to reach places. So you've got a light when it's running so you can see where you're going, and this vacuum lays down all the way flat so that you can get under couches, chairs, tables, etc. The bags on these vacuums are super easy to change. All you gotta do is pop it open and the bag is right there for easy bag changes. Now, because this vacuum is quiet and lightweight and doesn't require a cord, it's great for anybody. It's great for healthcare facilities, it's great for education, it's truly great for anybody, even business owners that, especially during a harsh Iowa winter, where there's lots of salt and dirt being tracked in, this is great to have by the front door so you can do some quick spot cleaning. I'm going to take you over and I'm going to demonstrate the Roam for you so you can see it in action and hear it in action. Let's go. So there you have it. As you can see, just because you're sacrificing a power cord does not mean that you have to sacrifice suction power. So as always, if you'd like to see this unit demonstrated in your building, let your sales rep know and he'll be happy to bring it out to you, or you can always stop by the Great Western Supply showroom and come see it for yourself. Thanks!